In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly add rows or columns with this hack here in the Google Sheets app. So you're working on a spreadsheet using your Sheets app and you want to quickly add some rows or columns within your data. Here's how you can do it. So we're going to start with our columns. Just a reminder, the letters at the top are your references for your columns. All you have to do is to tap on the letter at the top. There you have it. So I've selected this warehouse location column. If I wanted to add a column to the left, what I'm going to do is to tap on this one, and there you have it. I've successfully inserted a column to the left of my warehouse location column. Let's try that again. If I wanted to add a column to the right of my supplier, so I'm going to tap on column G, and I'm going to tap on this one. And there you have it. We've successfully added a column to the right of my supplier column right here. So that's how easy you can add those, and you can add as many as you want. You can tap it as many as you want to add those columns. Now moving on to our rows. For our rows, your reference would be the numbers on the left side. You have row 1 until row 1000 depending on how big your spreadsheet is. But if we wanted to, let's say, add a row at the top of our header right here, what we're going to do is to tap on row 1. There you go, tap on row 1. Then I'm going to tap on this one right here to add that row. There you have it. And again, I can tap it as many as I want. 3 rows already added at the top. If we wanted to add more rows below our headers, we're just going to tap on row 4 where our headers are and tap on this one as well. There you go. I'm adding 3 more rows just below our headers. And there you have it. That's how easy it is. You can add your rows or columns to your spreadsheet here in the Google Sheets mobile app. If you're interested in learning more on how to use the Sheets app, I have a full playlist for this that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner for you to click and watch. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.